Thank you for all my sheets.
Oh, you're welcome. No problem.
Check, check, check.
see my text?
I did, and like 90.
Yeah, yeah. We met
Court is now in session. Joan Sonnenberg presiding.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Please have a seat. I apologize for the delay. Welcome. Good morning. How are you, Ms. Roper? Nice to see you. Hey, how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to the jail. How are you today? Good morning. Good morning. Ladies and gentlemen in the gallery and in the county jail, I'm Joan Sonnenberg, one of your common pleas judges. Good morning and welcome to the arraignment room. At this time, I'm going to advise you of rights that are afforded to you through the Constitution of the United States of America and the state of Ohio. You have the right to know and understand the charges against you. You have the right to a jury trial, or you could waive a jury and try your case directly to a judge of this court. You are presumed innocent of the charges against you. The burden is on the state of Ohio to convince a jury or a judge beyond a reasonable doubt of each element of each offense. You have the right to question any witness who testifies against you at trial. You could have a trial and not testify, not take the stand, because it is your right to do so, and if you chose to do so, there could be no comment on your silence. Your silence could not be used against you. You could use a court called a subpoena to order the appearance and testimony of witnesses on your behalf. You have the right to a lawyer. If you can't retain counsel on your own, you will be provided counsel today. If you can't pay for the processing fee, mean that you won't get counsel. In fact, you will. You always may retain counsel on your own, who would then make a notice with the court. Today, you're not here for the trial of your case. You're here for a procedure known as an arraignment. We'll set a bond, you'll be formally charged, and a judge will be assigned to preside over your case. If you don't have counsel, this is the time the counsel will be assigned. When you hear your name, please come up to the podium. As I say, the faster you get there, the lower your bond. So come right on up to the podium, and we will take care of setting your bond, and I'll ask you how you plead. At this stage of the proceedings, typically a plea of not guilty is entered. Even if you entered a plea of guilty, your case would still be assigned to a judge of this court for further proceedings. You have a right to have reviewed your indictment for 24 hours. If you haven't had that time, you can waive that 24-hour notice, having seen your indictment today, and we will proceed. If you're going forward by way of information, it's a similar process. I'll ask counsel if they have discussed waiving presentment to your grand jury, how you plead. I'll set a bond. A judge will be assigned. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've been charged with a crime of violence or a drug offense in Ohio, under law, you cannot knowingly have, carry, or use a firearm or dangerous ordinance until the conclusion of your case. Because you're under a disability, violating a disability like this could result in additional felony charges against you. Please speak to your counsel if you have any questions. This applies even if you had a CCW permit. If you are over 18 and have not provided a DNA specimen since 2011, you may be required to submit one within 24 hours of your arraignment. If you're placed on CSR, court supervised release, it means that you'll be reporting to a probation officer while your case is pending. The judge will get a report about your progress, so good luck with that. If there's a no contact order, you may not have any contact directly or indirectly with any person or property named in any charge. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen in the jail each have the right to be here. Is there anyone who has not waived their presence? We have one? Okay. Well, thank you very much, officer. Much appreciated. Let's go.
Start in the courtroom, case number 673777, Scott Gardner.
Good morning, Mr. Gardner.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you today, Ms. Everett?
Good, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Attorney Allison Hibbert on behalf of Mr. Scott Gardner. He's received a copy of his indictment, waives any defects in time or manner of service, waives reading, enters a plea of not guilty, and asks that the recommended bond be imposed.
Thank you very much, and good morning to you. The bond is $5,000 personal on the docket of Judge Dina Calabrese, with a pretrial scheduled for Monday, October 3rd, 9 o'clock, courtroom 22B. Sir, step over here. We'll give you that information right. Thank you, Ms. Hibbert. Have a nice day. Are these all first? Oh, this is those are fine.
Zoom arraignment for Gardner Galazewski, can you hear me in juvenile detention? This is case number 674225.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ralph Franco, 4600. Mr. FP, Cassie, thank that. Waive the reading thereof and our plea of not that recommendation of the bond commissioner.
Okay. Maybe we could pull that mic a little closer to you. It's kind of hard to hear you. Thank you. Mr. DeFranco, you here appearing on behalf of your client who's joining us via video conferencing. I understand that you just waived reading of the indictment, entered a not guilty plea. I did not hear what you said regarding bond.
We've now proceeded to enactment of waiving 24-hour notice, reading thereof and our plea of not guilty, request that the bond commissioner recommendation be adopted.
Thank you. Ben McNair is here on behalf of the state of Ohio. What would you like to say?
Judge, we're asking you to